Okay, now Paheli and Buju have a question that as puberty marks the beginning of reproductive period, when one becomes capable of reproduction, but does the reproductive life ends after some time? Do we have a certain fixed period? Yes, there is a fixed period. जैसे आपकी puberty पे आपकी reproductive maturity start हो जाती है, after certain years it ends also. So reproductive phase of life in humans. Now we will study this. Adolescence becomes capable when the testes and ovaries begin to produce gametes. The capacity for maturation and production lasts for a much longer time in males than in females. So, but there is a difference. Females में जो है आपकी reproductive maturity जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाती है, but males में it remains for a longer period of time. In females, the reproductive phase begins at 10 to 12 and generally lasts till 45 to 50 years. The ova begins to mature at the onset of puberty. One ovum matures and it is released by one of the ovaries. आपका बेसिकली क्या होता है ड्यूरिंग योर रिप्रोडक्टिव मेच्योरिटी द एग्स बिगिन टू डेवलप. हर एक मंथ में एक एग जो है वो मेच्योर होता है एंड इट इज़ रिलीज्ड बाय द ओवरी every month as you have studied in your last chapter, right? Then there is a stock of eggs which gets ended up at the age of 45 or 50. जब वो एग्स जो होते हैं आपकी बॉडी में ख़त्म हो जाते हैं फीमेल्स की बॉडी में, देन योर जब एग्स ही ख़त्म हो गए सो नो रिप्रोडक्टिव मेच्योरिटी, राइट? सो एट दैट टाइम द eggs, when the eggs are all used up, or you can say the eggs ended up in your body, that is the stage when the reproductive maturity ends in the females. During this period, the wall of the okay, now what they are explaining, what happens during what happens after the ovulation. जब आपका egg release होता है आपके ovary से, then what exactly happens to the egg after that? One thing is that the eggs gets fertilized. If there is a sperm in the oviduct, the egg will get fertilized. But another thing, what happens if there is no sperm, it is an unmarried female, so what will happen to that egg? That eggs the fertilization does not occur and the released egg and the thickened lining of the uterus along with the blood vessels are shed off. That egg along with the uterus lining थोड़ा थोड़ा क्या हो जाता है, it is all shed off, and at that process the women bleeds. During this process the women bleeds, and this process is, and that stage is known as the menstruation. So this is the term used for that time when your egg is not fertilized, so it will eventually come out of your body along with some of the blood and the blood vessels, and that process is known as menstruation. Menstruation occurs once in about 20 to 30 days. आपकी जो पूरी cycle होती है, it is of 28 to 30 days after a month, and then your menstruation occurs. The first menstrual flow begins at puberty and it's termed menarche. जो फर्स्ट मेंस्ट्रुअल फ्लो होता है जब वो स्टार्ट होता है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गिवन अ नेम, दैट इज़ नोन एज मेनार्की, जब जिससे आपकी प्यूबर्टी का पता लगाया जाता है. ऑनसेट ऑफ प्यूबर्टी इन गर्ल्स इज इंडिकेटेड बाय मेनार्की ओनली, and at the age of 45 to 50 it stops because eggs are no more available. That is known as menopause. So two terms in females. जब आपका फर्स्ट menstrual flow होता है, that is known as the menarche. Then when after 45 to 50, at the age of 45 to 50, when there are no more eggs left, that stage is known as the menopause. After that obviously your menstruation also stops. So Paheli is saying that reproductive life of a woman starts from menarche to menopause. Is she right? Yes. You can say जब menarche होती है, which is the first menstrual flow, and then menopause, the duration between the both is the reproductive maturity in females. Now how is menstrual cycle controlled? It is controlled by the hormones. सारे hormones ही होते हैं जिनकी वजह से the eggs release, and then the thickening of uterine wall, and then the female becomes pregnant, then the baby gets embedded. All this is controlled by the hormones only. Okay, now let's come to the sex determination, or to know whether a boy or a girl. How do you know this? How do you come to know? How is it decided? So what happens inside a fertilized egg? There is a you all know that inside a zygote we have got chromosomes. Okay, the chromosomes are responsible for the chromosomes are inherited from your parents. Then you have a pair. All human beings have got 23 pairs of chromosome inside their nuclei of cells. जो भी आपकी बॉडी में cells हैं सब में 23 pairs of chromosome होंगे. In those 23 pairs, I mean 46 chromosomes, there is a single pair which is known as a sex chromosomes. एक pair ऐसा होता है जो sex chromosomes का होता है. अब क्या होता है उसमें, दैट इज नोन एज एक्स एंड वाई. ठीक है, अ फीमेल हैज़ गॉट 2 एक्स वाइल अ मेल हैज़ गॉट एक्स, 1 एक्स एंड 1 वाई. ठीक, अगर आप मेल का बताओगे तो मेल हैज़ गॉट 22 chromosomes plus a pair of XY chromosome, that is a sex pair. But in females it is both XX. ठीक है, so now what happens? The gametes have only one set of chromosome. The unfertilized egg also has one chromosome, but the sperms are of two kinds. अब क्या होगा? You look at this diagram. So by this you can determine whether the baby which will be born will be a boy or a girl. The sperm actually decides. That is the father actually decide. जो father से gamete आ रहा है वो decide करेगा कि भाई boy will be born और a girl will be born. क्यों? क्योंकि जो female है उसके पास तो egg है, ठीक है, उसका तो XX ही है. egg cell भी क्या होता है? cell ही तो होता है. उसमें तो सिर्फ X ही होगा, Y की तो कोई चांस ही नहीं है. तो उसके पास अगर 2 भी हैं तो उसमें X ही होगा, एक X. लेकिन जो स्पर्म्स हैं वो 2 तरीके के होते हैं, या तो उसमें X क्रोमोसोम होगा या फिर उसमें Y क्रोमोसोम होगा. अगर जो X वाला क्रोमोसोम है उसने एग को फर्टिलाइज किया, द कंडीशन विल बिकम XX एंड अ गर्ल विल बी बोर्न. बट इफ द एग इज फर्टिलाइज बाय अ Y क्रोमोसोम, ठीक है, Y वाला जो क्रोमोसोम होता है, स्पर्म Y वाला जो स्पर्म होता है, अगर उसने एग को फर्टिलाइज किया, then the condition will become XY and the child which will be born will be a boy. So this is how it is determined. So actually it is the father which is responsible for the sex of the child. Now let's come to another very important topic, the hormones other than the sex hormones. So you have got several different glands inside your body. One is your pituitary, the location is inside the head. Then your thyroid, which is in the neck region. Adrenal gland, the location is above the kidneys. Pancreas above the stomach. Then the position of ovaries and testes they have shown you. Every gland is responsible for secreting different hormone. Okay, so now Buju and Paheli visited to a doctor and he remember a boy named Kaka. It had got a big and bulging throat. So what they learned that Kaka was suffering from goiter. There is a disease known as goiter. You all have studied it, occurs due to deficiency of iodine. So Kaka's thyroid gland was not producing the hormone thyroxine. Now what is the connection here? हमने तो पढ़ा है आयोडीन की कमी से होता है goiter. तो यहाँ पे क्या है बच्चों, जो thyroid gland है आपका जो neck region में present है, it is responsible for producing this thyroxine. ठीक है, एंड देन ये थायरॉक्सिन कब सिक्रेट होता है? जब आपका आयोडीन आपकी बॉडी में करेक्ट अमाउंट में होता है. अगर थायरॉक्सिन नहीं सिक्रेट होता तो व्हाट हैपन्स? गाइटर अकर्स. आपका जो थ्रोट है इट बल्जेस आउट. इसको घेंगा भी बोलते हैं हिंदी में. अनदर हार्मोन इज इंसुलिन. डायबिटीज़ में क्या होता है? इंसुलिन. तो इंसुलिन इज सिक्रेटेड बाय द पैंक्रियाज. तो इंसुलिन क्या करता है? आपके ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल को कम कर देता है. ब्लड में आपका जितना ग्लूकोज का अमाउंट होना चाहिए, शुगर होनी चाहिए, उसको कम कर देता है, उसको मेंटेन रखता है. लेकिन अगर जिसकी बॉडी में इंसुलिन ही सिक्रेट नहीं होगा, क्या होगा? ब्लड लेवल शूट कर जाएगा, ब्लड ग्लूकोज लेवल शूट कर जाएगा. ठीक है, सो दैट कंडीशन इज नोन एज डायबिटीज़. देन देयर इज अनदर हार्मोन विच इज नोन एज एड्रिनलिन, जो एड्रिनल ग्लैंड सिक्रीट करते हैं. इट हेल्प्स टू एडजस्ट व्हेन बॉडी इज इन स्ट्रेस, एंग्री, एम्बेरस्ड और वरीड. तो ये सब जो कंडीशंस होती हैं ये एड्रिनलिन हार्मोन इनको हैंडल करता है. Then about the pituitary, it secretes growth hormone which is responsible for the growth of a person. अगर growth hormone सही से secrete नहीं होता है तो person में become a dwarf. अगर बहुत ज़्यादा secrete हो जाता है तो person में become a giant. Okay?